Well, hello everyone. Dr. Anthony Lordo here, your go-to dentist in Worthington, Ohio. Boy, I've been reviewing everyone's charts and I just can't help but notice a lot of folks didn't get a chance to have their second dental hygiene visit this year. Well, some of you haven't even had one. Well, I'll tell you, that can be kind of challenging because everybody's been looking so great. You know those numbers that the dental hygiene team take? Well, they're going down. That's awesome. Lower numbers mean less inflammation. And that's because you've been real good about coming to see us every 6 months, and some of you even need to see us every 4 months. Some of you even need to see us every 3 months. Well, with all that's happening in the world, a lot of folks are kind of falling behind. Because of that, well, those numbers are going up. What's that mean? Well, there's more inflammation. Also, I can't help notice there's an epidemic of clenching and grinding. As you know, I'm a jaw joint oriented dentist with clenching and grinding always on my mind. And we've seen a bunch of that. So, there's some good news. Many of the better insurance companies have taken away that 6 month and a day restriction. Well, what's that mean? Well, golly, you had to wait like 6 months and a day to come see us between your dental hygiene visits. Many of the better insurance companies have said, well, you don't have to do that anymore. For a while, you can come in more than every 6 months. Why? They know, like I know, we got to get you back where your numbers are nice and low and the inflammation's down, and the best way to do that is to come see our dental hygiene team. Remember, we have 4 full-time dental hygienists here to serve you. So getting in to see us, well, it's going to be pretty easy until the end of the year. Why do I say that? December is always our busiest year. We may not be able to accommodate you, but I'll tell you, October and November, we're working real hard to be super flexible to get you in when you'd like to come in. So remember, Dr. Anthony Lordo here, your go-to dentist in Worthington, Ohio, saying, give us a call. We'll go ahead and get you in for your dental hygiene visit, and for a while, you don't have to wait 6 months and a day anymore. So please, wear those masks, wash them hands, and most importantly, keep smiling.